Hey, I was like you once. I found it very difficult to find stocks, and if you have a problem with finding stocks, then I am here to help. Today I'm going to show you some very cool small cap stocks that I've been watching for a few days now, and they have been absolutely exploding. So let's dive into 5 stocks that have absolutely gone off, and it's great to know that there's lots of money to be made inside small cap stocks. First small cap stock today we're going to look at is LINC, which I spotted back here on the 13th of February 2026, and this is just a fantastic stock which has gone up over 35% in just a few days. That's LINC. How's that for a great return? Huge volume coming in here, and personally I would wait for a little bit of a pullback here to get in after a couple of days. Pull back on a couple of red candle days and maybe try and get yourself in for a bargain. The next stock up is ERAS, ERAS, which has gone up just a mind-blowing amount. Trade of the month here, really. And I got in here back at $3, and I made the mistake of getting stopped out at 100% trade, which I thought was kind of okay. But I was happy with my 100% trade, and then I saw this happening, and I thought, oh, I maybe should have stayed in the trade, and it's gone up 137% since then. But the good news is, after seeing this staggering approach, I managed to get in on this dip here. I've just drawn a trend line here on ERAS, and it's pulled back, and I got in here on this candle, and it's now continued to move up as I expected it to. Has had a lot of support around the $12 mark, and last night exploded further, had a little bit of a pullback, and now I'm sitting on around a nice 14% trade in just a couple of weeks. So the ERAS continues to go higher. It's an absolutely extraordinary chart we're looking at here, and I think it's probably time for me to move my stop loss right up to break even at $12.40, and I'll just let that run. I'll be playing with house money, so hopefully that will continue its epic run. But ERAS is just the most fantastic trade ever, and I'm feeling really great about that. Other trades I'm in just now is INNV. So getting in here, it's had a little bit of a pullback. Hopefully, it's had a nice bounce back up there, which is great. And hopefully they'll break through that $9.40 mark pretty soon. I've drawn a little trend line here. It's broken that trend line, which I don't like very much, but let's see what happens. Stop loss in at 847. OPHC is a great trade. Very pleased with its maneuvering last night. So down days, volumes very small, and nice volume on the up day here, and that's looking really strong, and that's broken through that previous resistance of $5.40. So pleased with that. Just in here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, and looking at around 4% on that trade. So that's looking pretty good. OPHC. HCSG has had a really nice bounce back. I got this on the dip, which is nice. Came right back to the 20-day moving average, and had a big pullback, and then it's heading upwards, so that looks really strong. We'd love to see it breaking past the $22 mark, and that's just a very simple, it's gone up in after hours, which is great. 10% trade, looking really good. SRL, not feeling too great about this one. I moved up the stop loss, and it's had this sort of fake out here, and it's gone right down through support. So if it drops, I might move the stop loss up a bit tighter now, because it's kind of not really doing anything. It's had that consolidation before. It looks like it's going to go along again. Will it go upwards? Well, the 50-day is still kind of trending upwards, so hopefully it'll respect that, but we'll hang on to that for a while. And what else have we got? INT is just looking really strong, isn't it? It's had this big breakout and huge volume, usually trading around 14.5. Had a big surprise on earnings, and suddenly huge volume coming in, and that's pushing it higher. So INTT looks really interesting. And the other one is LINC. What a great little stock. I love stocks like this. So it's done nothing for a little while, and finally has broken out past that $27 mark, and it's just blowing up. Lots of volume coming in here, and it's looking really strong. So I would buy the down days here. Lincoln Education, it just looks really good. A little bit pricey for my taste, $36, but definitely worth looking at. And that's a wrap for today. So if you enjoyed the video, if you're finding value in this, please like it, and you can subscribe up there and check out that video over there. And lots more small cap stocks to come. Easy way to make money if you like making 30% on your trade in just 9 days. Join the channel, enjoy it. There's loads of money to be made in small caps. You won't get 30% out of Tesla, I can assure you. You might, but it'll take you about a year. So let's talk soon. Stay peace and love and take it easy. See you soon. Keep waiting for breakouts.